I'm doing a video on the Magic Jack power adapter problem. Now this is the power adapter that come with the Magic Jack that plugs into your internet router. And as you can see, there is no light that is on the Magic Jack. There's nothing working. We recently had a power outage here, and all of a sudden my telephone didn't work. I would pick up my phone, and here's all I would get is just a bunch of clicking on the telephone. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Well, anyways, I've messed with this for quite a while, and so what I did was I just changed power adapters, and now it's working fine. So I'll change the power adapter and you'll see what happens. Now this one's about a 2 milliamp power adapter that I had from a tablet. I'll plug this in. Now take a look. Now we got the Magic Jack actually puts out a light, and the light's kind of changing colors. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me turn this. Maybe you can see it now. And now you'll notice, if you can hear, I actually have a dial tone. Well, anyways, you'll find that might solve some of your Magic Jack problems, is to take this little power adapter here and just switch it out with a different one. And thank you for watching.